7 tiny automations can move about $589 a month before you get the chance to spend it. Not by working overtime. Not by becoming perfect. Just by routing money the second it lands. The reason this matters is simple. The Federal Reserve says 59% of adults had at least one major unexpected expense last year. 16% did not pay all of their bills in the prior month. And only 63% said they could cover a $400 emergency with cash or the equivalent. So this is not really a motivation problem. It is a timing problem. Money shows up. Life gets loud. The transfer never happens. Today, the fix is 7 small moves. Every dollar number is an estimate built from public U.S. data, and this is general education only, not personal financial, legal, tax, or investment advice. Move 1. Split off a starter emergency transfer. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau says one easy way to save automatically is to split direct deposit, so part of each paycheck goes straight to savings. Using a median full-time paycheck, 1% of monthly pay is about $54. If payroll allows 2 accounts, send it there. If not, schedule the bank transfer for payday. Move 2. Build a 1-month bill buffer. On the same paycheck, 1 month of pay is about $5,352. Do not panic. You are not finishing that tonight. You are sending about $54 a month toward it, so rent, utilities, insurance, and card payments stop fighting for the last dollars in checking. After just 2 moves, about $107 a month is already moving before spending gets a vote. Move 3. Create a vehicle repair fund. The Federal Reserve says the most common major unexpected expense was a vehicle repair or replacement. 30% of adults dealt with one. If you drive, automate around $54 a month into a separate car repair bucket. Name it clearly. Not miscellaneous car repair. Move 4. Create a home and appliance repair fund. The same report says 22% of adults had a major house or appliance repair. That is why another $54 a month gets its own label. Home repair. Appliance repair. Anything that stops you from pretending the money is free. Move 5. Create a medical surprise fund. 21% of adults faced a major unexpected medical expense, and 26% skipped medical care because of cost. Medical surprises are common, and when people have no margin, they often delay care. So yes, automate around $54 a month here too. At this point, 5 small 1% moves add up to about $268 a month on autopilot. That is the part that makes normal chaos less dangerous. Move 6. Capture the full employer match if your job offers one. This is the strongest move. If your employer matches up to 4%, automate the full 4% first. On a median monthly paycheck, that could be about $214 a month from you before counting the match. The IRS says the 2026 elective deferral limit for a 401k is $24,500, so for most workers, 4% is nowhere near the ceiling. The real risk is forgetting to turn it on and leaving matched dollars behind. Move 7. Open a future you transfer outside the emergency buckets. This can be a Roth IRA, a traditional IRA, or a plain investment account. The point is to automate a growth bucket, not just survival buckets. A clean starting number is around 2% of the same median paycheck, about $107 a month. That is still far below the 2026 IRA limit of $7,500 for someone under 50. So let's total this up. 5 1% automations. 1 4% retirement move. 1 2% future you transfer. On today's median full-time U.S. paycheck, that is about $589 a month moving on purpose. Not because you became perfect. Because your system got there first. Tonight, set up only the first 2 moves, about $54 to emergency savings, and about $54 to the bill buffer. Then add 1 new move each week until all 7 are running. Next, audit the bills that keep stealing the money before these transfers can work.